You are watching this video because you're getting a message on your riding lawnmower. I'll show you what this means. So you look down and your lawnmower, I thought it was saying CH6 oil. CH6 oil. That's like, what is CH6? That must be a code. So I tried looking it up online. And that 6 is a G. Does that look like a G to you? CHG oil. Change oil. Guess what? That's an automated notification. It doesn't mean something is wrong. It doesn't mean you can't mow your lawn, so now you have no excuse on a beautiful fall day not to go ahead and fire up your lawnmower and mow the lawn. It's a periodic notification based on the number of hours. And the 401, that's the number of hours that your riding lawnmower has. So it's time to get in there and change that oil. But it doesn't prohibit you from starting up today and going to mow the lawn first. And then tonight, when it's dark, you can take your mower into the warm garage and change the oil. Happy mowing. Thanks for watching Frosty Life. Oh, need a little choke. It's cold out. There she goes.